Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be demonstrating Think Aloud about a multi-axis graph, how to read it. So when approaching a graph like this, it has three axes on the side. One that we're familiar with, the x-axis, the y-axis, 2, and an additional axis here. We also see a lot more different divisions with different spacing. Let's break this down and see what we're working with. So here we have wind. And this looks like time. Wind duration in hours. Okay, so the time for the wind, and here on the y-axis looks like we've got wave height. In meters. Okay, so maybe this is a graph dealing with wind and waves. I know that the longer wind blows, maybe it makes sense the waves get bigger or something like that. Okay, wind speed in meters per second. What is that? We have an additional axes here. Okay, what does that bring us to? Over on this side, we have our wind speed. Okay, this is starting to make sense. Let's see what happens when we start to graph some things. I want to know what the wave height is going to be with a 10 meter per second wind speed, which means that I'm going to follow this curved line here. What about if the wind's been blowing for 1 hour? And now I can check how tall is that wave over here? 0.6 meters. So for a wind speed, a time, what if it's blowing for 12 hours? You can follow my curve because our wind speed hasn't changed. And we can see, given more time, the wind speed remaining the same, our wave height can increase to 2 meters. What about increasing our wind speed now to 20 meters per second? That's a strong breeze. And letting it go for only half an hour. We're going to be on this line, all the way back actually, to below our 10 meters per second wind speed for 2 hours. In this way, we can see that the amount of time that the wind has to push the water, the taller waves it can produce, even at a lower wind speed.